Do you know where I am? Hi, I'm Andy Teach, host of Andy's Awesome Adventures, and welcome to Erie, Pennsylvania. Now we are standing at the top of Bicentennial Tower, which was built in 1995 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of Erie, Pennsylvania. And it's either 140 feet tall or 187 feet tall, we're not sure. However, it's going to give you some outstanding views of the city. So in back of me, especially in the front here, is the Bayfront. That long street is State Street. That's kind of the main drag. To the left, you see the Hampton Inn and Suites, Erie Bayfront, which is where we happen to be staying. Beautiful hotel, new hotel, probably the newest one in Erie. Also to the left is the Erie Maritime Museum, where we're going tomorrow morning. You also see a few marinas here. Further down is the Sheraton, and there's a great walkway there, which we took, and some great views from there. And then further down is more marina. And then the other side of the tower, you're going to see Presque Isle Bay, and behind that is Presque Isle State Park, which is like a 13-mile loop. Beautiful park. We went there twice, and you'll see the videos for that. And speaking of videos, this video and all my Erie videos are sponsored by Visit Erie, and they are the tourist marketing agency of Erie, Pennsylvania. And go to their website, visiterie.com, for all things Erie when you're planning your trip. You definitely want to check out that website. The link is in the description. So the other thing I wanted to say is that we were here for 72 hours and we saw a lot of things. There's a lot of things we didn't see. And what's great about Erie is it's for everybody. Families, couples, it doesn't matter, single people. There's museums. There's a great water park. There's an amusement park. There's a zoo. There's great restaurants. There's breweries. There's distilleries. There's hiking trails. There's a casino. We took boat tours of Presque Isle Bay, and there's boat tours Lake Erie as well. If you're a fisherman, there's some great fishing here at Lake Erie. So there's tons of stuff to do. And like I said, if you're going to plan your trip, check out visiterie.com, and they'll be able to answer all your questions. Unfortunately, we have to go home tomorrow, but this has been a fantastic trip. Thank you, Visit Erie, for sponsoring me and the videos. The slogan of Visit Erie is Experience Awesome, and this is awesome.